Oh hey Visagie, so tell me quickly, I'm a kick-ass photographer, I take awesome photos of everybody else, but how do I take photos of myself? Well, here is 8 steps to taking better self-portraits. Step number 1, slap on something sexy. Now that you have something on that's tasty. Step 2 is finding a kick-ass location. Now lucky for me, where I'm staying they are actually busy with construction, and there's nothing as cool as a construction site, man. You get the best photos on a construction site. Well, that is according to me.
My DJ making him sandwiches so that he can rock with me. My upgrading overtime underappreciated. Damn, I feel the pain. Know that it's under alleviated. Feel like I'm under a microscope. Dopify my particles.
Step number 3, set up your tripod. Step 4, set up the self timer. Step 5, get into position. And step 6, smile. Step 7, import your photo into Photoshop or Lightroom, whichever you want to use, and start editing.
So you can bump the exposure, change the vibrance, saturation a bit, go to the hue, saturation, luminance tab, edit there a bit, bring up the colors of hue and saturation, bring up the highlights and the shadows, remove chromatic aberration, open up the image, Control Alt Shift and N for new layer, Control Alt Shift E to paste that layer. What you do here, you go to blur gallery, iris blur, hit that blur,
and that is it. Step 8, remember, always have fun, man. So do something 2018 to that like button, turn on notifications so you never miss out on a video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Top of the totem, swallow emotion like I'm drowning the ocean. I'm autographing my initials like the MVP. Let's make a show of my reality on MTV. Until the death I'm rapping local in the DMV. The kid connected from the Apple to the SEC. So many tens I see, my brother swanking me, just doing our thing. Now him and D-Rock earned a scholarship and got that ring. We elevated, we too fly for y'all to chop our wings. The celebration's overdue, bottle pop like kings. I'm fighting lazy, killing 16s with gratitude. Never liked authority and always copped an attitude. Never up for settling, but always up for rum and coke. And still regret it every single time I bum a smoke.
Let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build a house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants from way up there.